Have you got one of these? I'm John from Optic Kleer, and I can show you how to go from this to this while you do your shopping. Let me tell you how it works. Thanks a lot, see you later. You've probably seen us in your local supermarket car park. You've got a chip in your windscreen, but you've thought, I wonder if I have to book. I wonder if there's a catch. Well, the answer to all of these things is no. We just simply fix your windscreen. I'm sure the first question you have is, how much is this going to cost? Well, if you've got windscreen cover through your car insurance, then the cost of the repair is likely to be included. However, if you don't, to fix a chip, it's just £48. Optic Kleer are the largest independent windscreen repair company in the UK. We've already successfully repaired hundreds of thousands of windscreens. The whole process only takes about 20 minutes, and we guarantee every repair for as long as you've got the vehicle. So why should you get a windscreen chip repaired? Well, you may have heard that a windscreen chip has the potential to crack right across the screen. It doesn't always happen, but it's more common than you might think. So the sooner you can get a windscreen chip repaired, the better the result for everybody. If your insurance company won't cover the cost of a chip repair, they're certainly not going to cover the cost of a replacement. If you are using your insurance, we take care of the whole process for you, and there's no paperwork to complete. Once we've completed your Optic Kleer repair, your receipt and warranty will be emailed to you instantly. Job done, including your shopping. So if you have a windscreen chip and you'd like us to fix it, simply hit the Learn More button below. We'll tell you exactly where one of our Optic Kleer operators will be and what times they will be there. You can come and see us at a time that suits you best. And remember, the sooner you get the repair done, the better the results will be.